I asked about camera. They say he has a super long white jacket though with the hood on, so you see him, you can't miss him. Super long white jacket. Yeah. You see him, you can't miss him.
Y'all want to prosecute?
Yes.
We find him? Okay. Cool beans. Hopefully we'll find him. Thank you. Oh, look. They just sent a picture. He was right there. He was right there. They took a picture of him.
On April 1st, 2023, at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, officers responded to a retail theft. You will hear the companion insist the stolen wallet was a birthday gift. Under Texas law, that framing does not create a defense. It creates a second crime.
But listen, you took stolen property that you knew that they stole and put in your merchandise.
They have a camera on him? I asked about camera. They say he has a super long white jacket though with the hood on, so you see him, you can't miss him. Super long white jacket. Yeah. You see him, you can't miss him. You guys have any cameras?
You have cameras? Can we see the footage?
Yeah.
So we take a picture and send it to our camera people, so we can probably get a picture out of it. What do you steal?
Well, we said stole a wallet.
Yeah, a little.
What does it look like?
Like one of these right here?
Or it looks almost like one of these. It's just blue and
Hi, can we see the camera?
Yeah. But it's right here. He grabs it and puts it on his phone.
How long ago was it?
Like 33, like now 15 minutes.
How many?
15 minutes ago?
Y'all want to prosecute?
Yes.
We find him? Okay. Cool beans. Hopefully we'll find him. Thank you.
He probably you can check the public side, but he probably went on the Skylink or down here one of the gates. But it's up to you. You can go do that if you like. So. Oh look, they just sent a picture. He was at gate 24. He was at right there. He was right there. They took a picture of him.
Good morning. Good morning. Did you see this gentleman come in here?
That's chicken. Who knows those two?
Yes, two guys.
Two, right?
Yes.
And what? I think the police looking for them. They're criminals.
Where'd they go?
They're down here to they're trying to go to the club with that white coat.
Yeah, where he go?
Yes, he just went downstairs.
Yeah, the guy with the sunglasses.
Yes.
They were party of two.
Yeah, he just went
He
downstairs.
just went down, yes. Come on now, people. Come.
David 3, David 4. If he's still downstairs,
They
those
were
guys
over
just
here
went
trying to get
downstairs.
in.
Some of the two guys.
I knew. He tried to walk in.
Oh, did he?
Over here and over here.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
David 4, Sergeant 9 are headed up the escalator. We're right behind him.
Yeah, he was coming. When I was going up, he was coming down. I guess you too. He was coming up the elevator. I said, yeah, he looks like a girl. So he said, he looks like a woman.
Yeah, when I saw a picture, I was like,
They're going up the escalator.
excuse me, sir. We need to talk to you. I'm right behind you. I know you can hear me. Okay. We have you on video taking a wallet out of the Coach store. We need to check your belongings, see if you have that item. Good, how are you?
Just having a flight in 20 minutes to Tennessee to get all
Actually, trans.
Okay. Well, that coat matches the exact coat you had on. I'm sorry?
I'm pulling everything out for you to check.
That's fine.
If you want to start checking.
You want me to search it?
Oh, I thought you wanted me to just search it. No, let's make this easy. It was for his birthday. So I got it for him. I haven't told you, we just came from rehab. So I do have it. I gave it to him. I'll get it for you. Did you see this? Our flight literally is never out of here again.
So, Sarge, he just admitted that he gave it to him.
For his birthday. I just gave it. We literally just came from a rehab in California. I worked up in the head. Not okay. Our flight is leaving. We're going to West Palm Beach. We're going to his parents' house. This is the first time I've ever been to this airport. I've never come here.
She just said she got it from my birthday.
You're out of the.
That it? Yeah, she just came over to me while I was still upstairs and said I got yourself for your birthday.
What'd you do with all the tags and stuff that was on it?
There was no tags on it.
No tags on
There
it?
was no nothing. There was absolutely nothing.
Yeah. They want to prosecute. Yeah. Yeah. They want to prosecute. Where's your ID and stuff? Your ID, your boarding pass?
So you're gonna miss my flight.
Excuse me?
So you're gonna miss my flight.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Jay, you have my wallet?
I'm gonna miss my flight.
Do you have a wallet? When you go to the flight,
No, I'm gonna miss it in general. They're caution.
Did they tell with the video which one of them?
Where's my wallet, Jay?
Come over here. Just come over here.
Do you have his wallet?
I might. I mean, we literally just woke up. We slept here over a community flight all night.
Do you have my ID or my wallet? I can't find it. Just because at least if I could make the flight, we could set it off for her to come. You know what I mean? Because if I could, because I didn't do nothing. You know, I didn't do nothing. I'm not unknown. Does you know what I'm saying? I had no knowledge
I
that it was
literally have. I'm
stolen.
like.
Where's your ID? Let's see your ID.
I'm looking.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Right here. Alright, Jay, we'll bail you out. I just need to make the flight.
Sir, hey.
I know.
Sit up, get over here and sit down.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Be quiet, please.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Calm down.
I know. I just don't know I'm being detained.
Okay, calm down. Well, because you're with him. That's why.
I wasn't.
But listen. You took stolen property that you knew that they
No, I did
stole
not. I did not
and
know it
put
was
in
stolen.
your
I did not know it was
so
stolen.
just
Jay,
you're gonna have to.
I'm just-
Hey,
just
listen.
Calm down. Let's figure it
Until
out,
we
okay?
get this investigated, you're gonna have to hang tight and pay.
What did you
just
tell
be
me when
patient.
you walked up there?
Okay,
I bought.
get ready to let you go.
I know. You said I bought you.
What's your name?
Brendan Wood.
Alright, you just need to calm down.
I'm sorry.
Just let us know our job and just sit there. Alright?
I'm sorry.
Alright.
I'm just worried about missing the flight and then.
We don't know what all's happened, so we have to
Oh,
investigate this before we can
I'm
release
sorry. Yeah, no. I'm sorry. Just because it's my birthday and I had to sleep for my layover this morning, and I woke up to Jay going, listen, I got you something for your birthday. Nothing. I took this without pay. You know, I bought this for your birthday. I got this for your birthday. Here you go.
So were you in the store with
No, I was. Oh yeah, no, I was upstairs the whole time asleep, and I just got woken up and said, "Oh, thank you so much." And of course, you ripped off the price tag and stuff, so it would be look like a normal gift.
Let my partners resolve what they're doing, and then we'll
Thank you.
figure it out. But no, dude, we're good.
You gotta go.
The primary offense is defined by Texas Penal Code Section 31.03, which prohibits the unlawful appropriation of property with intent to deprive the owner. For a wallet valued between $100 and $750, the charge is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 180 days in county jail. The companion's exposure rests on Texas Penal Code Section 7.02, the party to offense doctrine. That statute holds a person criminally responsible for the conduct of another when they act with intent to promote, assist, or aid the underlying offense. Accepting stolen property and concealing it within one's own belongings satisfies that standard, once the element of knowledge is proven. Knowledge in a case like this is almost always circumstantial. Missing tags, missing receipts, and a handoff minutes after the theft can meet the state's burden.
I don't need to shake your hand right now. We're investigating a crime, so just hang tight.
Well, you know, we've been engaged for 5 years. I know we're going on our million, so put everything in there. No, do not teach it because you're not going to be able to take meds if they're going to charge you. I know. So they're not. Do you think they're going to put this in your personals?
Is it your medication?
Yes, it's my medication.
You take your medication?
Yes. Okay, Jay, no, they don't. Trust me. I've seen them throw out people's oxys. I've seen them throw out people's antidepressants. I've seen them throw out people's everything. do they not hold on to, like, let's say you have a bunch of meds?
What medication is yours?
Almost all of it.
Okay, so I want you to take all of your medication, okay, and any property of his.
I'm
that you
trans,
can
by the way.
Excuse me. Your name, I'm calling you Mr. Brown, okay? Whatever property of his that he's willing to release to you, go ahead and take it, please. The less property, the better it'll be. So you don't have to deal with all this stuff.
Yeah, thank you so much. I apologize for the rush. My mom won't be able to.
That's fine. We're just trying to get everything.
I just woke up and like, well, it was my birthday today.
We're established that. We're past that right now, all right?
Yeah,
so we're just working with tests.
As soon as you got your stuff, you're good to go and you make the flight.
Thank you, guys.
But just go ahead, just load up. You're going to run out of time. You need to hurry up. I wouldn't
Oh no, I was just I know I'm gonna.
make sure you got everything you need.
I just couldn't even talk, you know.
Okay, but just grab everything you need.
Yeah, Jake, give me, unless it's your extra dollar, yeah, hold on to grab a 10 from him, like. Alright, I love you, baby. I love you. Alright, call my mom's number once you're able to make a call, okay? Yeah, take your meds and stuff. Take more than enough subs because in case they hold you for like 2 days. Okay? You have shit in here?
Alright,
Take it, go.
go.
Yeah, you got it.
Go.
Oh, Jake.
Do you want to take it, go?
Yeah. So,
Alright, yeah, look at us. Alright,
thank you guys. Thank you for treating us with respect. We appreciate it.
alright, we'll make your flight.
Thank you. Thank you, baby. I'm so sorry this happened. Maybe you're just trying to do something for me, but we both know it's not the right way. I love you. Okay? I love you. Be strong, and we'll call you, and you'll be good within a couple days.
Go get on the train.
Love you.
You don't have to go.
What were you doing in the ambulance club? Or in that Capital One, huh? Okay. They was about to make a complaint on you, which means you would have got a criminal trespass on both of y'all. So if you're not a member of one of those clubs,
I didn't even
that's
know
one
what
place.
that was.
Well,
I've
when
never
you
fallen like that before.
when you talk to them again, tell them don't just be going those places. They don't even like us up there. So yeah, you get into some trouble. Yeah, what you do with all the tags on it?
There was not any tags in it.
That way-
Because it said on the outside, like the thing was where I picked it up, but like 4 other ones.
Oh, okay.
Would I be able to find out? Like,
See the judge.
Yeah.
If you see the judge, I don't know if they're going to allow you to FaceTime with the judge or not. If not, you're going to have to stay here in our facility. And then tomorrow, Tarrant County's going to help you.
Because it's a weekend. It's
But if they ain't picked up already, they might pick it up today.
They'll let you know everything when you.
Ask them down there, they'll tell you.
Yeah, they'll let you know
so
everything
I'll
when
be
you
able
get
to
them.
find out and show where I'm going.
They'll tell you.
The investigative detention itself was lawful. Under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968, officers may detain a person on reasonable suspicion, supported by articulable facts. Here officers possessed a sworn victim, a specific physical description, a surveillance photograph, and a positive eyewitness identification. That combination likely reached probable cause. The search of the carry-on bag was consent-based. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamante, decided in 1973, voluntariness is measured by the totality of the circumstances. No coercion appears on this recording. The suspect produced the wallet without objection, which strengthens the state's position on admissibility. The one procedural weakness is Miranda. Post-arrest questioning about the wallet's origin proceeded without any audible advisement of rights. Under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, custodial interrogation requires warnings. However, most admissions on this footage were spontaneous rather than elicited. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, decided in 1980, spontaneous statements generally survive a Miranda challenge, which likely preserves this prosecution. The officers earn an A- for a lawful patient and humane arrest, deducted only for the Miranda advisement gap. The primary suspect earns a D for a completed theft initial deception and exposing his partner to accomplice liability. The companion earns a C+ for accepting stolen property, mitigated by cooperation and the absence of formal charges. The department earns a B+ for policies that produced a professional outcome, minus recurring Miranda training concerns. The first lesson is that a gift is not a shield. Receiving stolen property with knowledge transfers criminal liability, not merely moral discomfort. The second lesson is that consent once given is difficult to withdraw. If officers request permission to search, silence is not a substitute for a clear refusal. The third lesson is that Miranda still matters, even in cooperative arrests. A single skipped warning can convert admissible evidence into a suppression motion. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.